Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. You can make one common mistake that can cost you hundreds, even thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Toyota Corolla, that generation that you see right here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you have one of those, you have a problem where the horn does not work, stay with us, we'll explain what we see here at the garage. Quite often that causes it, which fuses, relays control the horn. We'll start by that because it could be super simple fix. If that doesn't fix it, we'll explain what else can cause the horn not to work, where you can buy cheap parts and tools, that way do not waste money and time, why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to do engine work, transmission, mechanical, body work, anything you can think of practically. On this channel specifically, we'll be making at least 150 to 200 videos about that Toyota Corolla, that generation guys. If you have one of those, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car does not want to start, you can, and you find out that the fuel pump is bad, you're not getting fuel, you can just search for fuel pump relay, fuel pump fuse really quickly, watch the video, spend a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road, because the writings on the fuse boxes are very vague and most people will not even know what they mean. So we'll be making videos about every possible fuse and relay in that Toyota Corolla. So let's start on it now. So if the horn does not work, what you will need to check, we'll demonstrate on that generation Toyota Corolla right here guys. You have multiple fuse boxes in that Toyota Corolla, but today guys, okay, for the horn we're going to work in just practically one fuse box and one different component. We'll talk about that, but the main fuse box will be under the hood. Open the hood, here on the driver's side we have that cover, remove it, underneath you'll find a fuse box with a layout like that one. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here we need to check guys one fuse and up to two different relays, actually one relay in that fuse box, and we need to go to a different one. Oh, and any of you, if you need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Toyota Corolla or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below. Check it out, you can save quite a bit of money. Here guys, if the horn doesn't work, we're going to zoom in a little bit. You need to check fuse number 5. That's the horn fuse right there. That's the fuse that you will guys need to check. Then there could be a horn relay right here that you need to check, that one right there in the corner. And on some models guys, on some models you may have, okay, let me show you here. That's the interior fuse box here we show, but behind the radio, in the middle of the dash, you're going to have 5 relays guys, 5 relays, and these relays, let me show you what they will look like. It's like a relay box, and that relay box looks like this one. You need to check relay number 2 right there. So that's the one that you will need to check. And if that doesn't fix the horn guys, what can cause it not to work, okay, it could be guys, okay, it could be bad horn switch itself. It could be a bad quark spring in sometimes. That's that device that transfers the signal from the steering wheel to the steering column. That could happen easily if the car was in an accident or if it was worked on the quark spring. It could be a bad horn itself, or check the wires going to the horn. Sometimes they can be bad as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.